Hello, gamers and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about video games or just intrigued by how they're made, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into an exciting concept that powers many of your favorite games, procedural generation. So, grab your controllers and let's get started. But first, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered how some games can create vast, infinite worlds, full of unique landscapes, dungeons, or even entire universes, without having to manually design every single detail? Well, that's where procedural generation comes in. So, what is procedural generation? In a nutshell, it's a method for creating content algorithmically rather than manually. This involves using algorithms to generate data, which can be anything from landscapes, levels, quests, or even entire game worlds. The beauty of procedural generation is that it allows developers to create large amounts of content quickly and efficiently, while ensuring that each player's experience is unique. Let's look at some amazing examples. One of the most famous games that use procedural generation is *Minecraft Star. In *Minecraft*, when you start a new game, the world is generated based on a set of algorithms. This means that every time you create a new world, you're likely to encounter different terrains, structures, and resources. The game uses a seed, a number that determines the outcome of the generated world. Change the seed and you'll get a completely different landscape. This keeps the game fresh and engaging, encouraging players to explore and discover new things. Another great example is *No Man's Sky Star. This game boasts a universe with over 18 quintillion planets, each with unique ecosystems, creatures, and landscapes. How is this possible? Through procedural generation. The game uses complex algorithms to create planets on the fly, allowing players to explore an almost infinite number of worlds. Although the game faced criticism at launch for not delivering on some of its promises, it has significantly improved since then, and its procedural generation remains a core feature that keeps players coming back for more exploration. Moving on to the roguelike genre, we have games like *Dead Cells Star. In *Dead Cells*, every time you die, you start over in a new, randomly generated environment. This keeps the game unpredictable and exciting, as you never know what challenges or enemies you'll face in your next run. Procedural generation in this context ensures that each playthrough is a unique experience, which is essential for replayability. Now, how does procedural generation actually work? At its core, it relies on algorithms and mathematical functions. Developers can write algorithms that define rules for generating content. For example, in terrain generation, rules might dictate how mountains are formed, where rivers flow, and how forests are distributed. These algorithms can also incorporate randomness, giving a unique touch to each generated element. This combination of deterministic rules and randomness is what leads to the creation of diverse and rich game worlds. While procedural generation has many benefits, it's not without its challenges. A significant concern is quality control. Since content is generated rather than handcrafted, it can sometimes result in environments or levels that feel repetitive or lack depth. Developers have to strike a balance between randomness and meaningful design, ensuring that generated levels are still engaging and fun to play. Take *Spelunky*, for example. It uses procedural generation for its levels, but the developers went the extra mile by carefully designing the rules and elements. They ensured that even though levels are randomly generated, they still have a coherent structure and provide a fair challenge. This kind of thoughtful approach can lead to rewarding player experiences. Looking ahead, the future of procedural generation in video games is incredibly promising. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, we could soon see even more sophisticated methods for generating content. Imagine an AI that can learn from player behavior to create personalized experiences or environments that adapt to how you play. The possibilities are endless. So, to summarize, procedural generation is a revolutionary technique that allows developers to create vast, unique, and engaging content efficiently. From the infinite worlds of Minecraft to the ever-changing landscapes of No Man's Sky and the challenging levels of Dead Cells procedural generation plays a crucial role in shaping modern gaming experiences. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what's your favourite game that uses procedural generation? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep gaming and stay curious.